बैक टू मास स्टडी। दोस्तों, आज हम प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं इंग्लिश के बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक के बारे में, जो कि जब हमें ऐसा बोलना हो कि हमें कोई काम करना है, जैसे मुझे ऑफिस जाना है, घर जाना है, ये काम करना है, या कई बार हम बोलते हैं मुझे कोई काम करना पड़ता है, मुझे खाना बनाना पड़ता है, मुझे कपड़े धोना पड़ता है। तो आज ये सारे स्टूडेंट्स प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। आपको पूरा वीडियो देखना है और सीखना है इंग्लिश बहुत ही आसान तरीके से। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
गुड इवनिंग, हाउ आर यू? आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन। आस्क मी सम क्वेश्चन। मुझे पुस्तक पढ़ना है। आई हैव टू रीड बुक, आई डू नॉट हैव टू रीड बुक, डू आई हैव टू रीड बुक, डू आई नॉट हैव टू रीड बुक। पास्ट, आई हैड टू रीड बुक, आई डिड नॉट हैव टू रीड बुक, डिड आई हैव टू रीड बुक, डिड आई नॉट हैव टू रीड बुक। फ्यूचर, I will have to read book, I will not have to read book, will I have to read book, will I not have to read book. Thank you.
Hi, good evening guys.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am fine.
I am also fine. My name is Vaidik Punase. Sir, ask me question.
वैदिक, आपका क्वेश्चन है, मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना है।
मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना है। Present. I have to speak English. I do not have to speak English. Do I have to speak English? Do I not have to speak English? I had to speak English. I did not have to speak English. Did I have to speak English? Did I not have to speak English? I will have to speak English. I will not have to speak English. Will I have to speak English? Will I not have to speak English? Thank you.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Ask me question.
आपका क्वेश्चन है, हमें तुम्हें कार चलानी है।
तुम्हें कार चलानी है। प्रेजेंट, यू हैव टू ड्राइव कार, यू डू नॉट हैव टू ड्राइव कार, डू यू हैव टू ड्राइव कार, डू यू नॉट हैव टू ड्राइव कार। पास्ट, यू हैड टू ड्राइव कार, यू डिड नॉट हैव टू ड्राइव कार, डिड यू हैव टू ड्राइव कार, डिड यू नॉट हैव टू ड्राइव कार। फ्यूचर, you will have to drive car, you will not have to drive car, will you have to drive car, will you not have to drive car. Thank you.
Hello guys, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Myself Drashti Patel. And ask me a question, sir.
आपका क्वेश्चन है, मुझे सोना है।
मुझे सोना है। I have to sleep. I do not have to sleep. Do I have to sleep? Do I not have to sleep? In past, I had to sleep. I did not have to sleep. Did I have to sleep? Did I not have to sleep? In future, I will have to sleep. I will not have to sleep. Will I have to sleep? Will I not have? Hi everyone.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Sir, ask me question.
मुस्कान, आपका क्वेश्चन है, हमें पत्र लिखना है।
We have to write letter. We do not have to write letter. Do we have to write letter? Do we not have to write letter? We had to write letter. We did not have to write letter. Did we have to write letter? Did we not have to write letter? We will have to write letter. We will not have to write letter. Will we have to write letter? Will we not have to write letter? Thank you.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Sir, ask me question.
शहनाज, आपका क्वेश्चन है, मुझे अंग्रेजी
सीखना है।
सीखना है।
सर, मुझे अंग्रेजी सीखना है।
हाँ।
I have to learn English. I do not have to learn English. Do I have to learn English? Do I not have to learn English? I had to learn English. I had to not. I did not have to learn English. Did I have to learn English? Did I not have to learn English? I will have to learn English. I will not have to learn English. Will I have to learn English? Will I not have to learn English?
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Kiran Birla. Please ask me a question.
मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है।
In present, I have to talk to you. I do not have to talk to you. Do I have to talk to you? Do I not have to talk to you? In past, I had to talk to you. I did not have to talk to you. Did I had to talk to you? Did I not have to talk to you? In future, I will have to talk to you. I will not have to talk to you. Will I have to talk to you? Will I not have to talk to you? Thank you.
Hello, what is your name?
शिवम मोरे।
शिवम कौन सी क्लास में है?
4th।
अच्छा, 4th में पढ़ते हैं।
Yes, sir.
आपका सेंटेंस है, मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना है।
Yes,
ठीक है,
sir.
आपको बनाना है प्रेजेंट, पास्ट और फ्यूचर। चलिए स्टार्ट करें।
I have to speak English. I do not have to speak English. Do I have to speak English? Do I not have to speak English? I had to speak English. I did not have to speak English. Did I have to speak English? Did I not have to speak English? I will have to speak English. I will not have to speak English. Will I have to speak English? Will I not have to speak English? Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Please ask me question.
मुझे फुटबॉल खेलना है।
मुझे फुटबॉल खेलना है। फर्स्ट टाइम चेंज इन प्रेजेंट। मुझे फुटबॉल खेलना पड़ा। आई हैव टू प्ले फुटबॉल। आई डू नॉट हैव टू प्ले फुटबॉल। डू आई हैव टू प्ले फुटबॉल। डू आई नॉट हैव टू प्ले फुटबॉल। सेकेंड पास्ट। मुझे फुटबॉल खेलना पड़ा था। आई हैड टू प्ले फुटबॉल। आई डिड नॉट हैव टू प्ले फुटबॉल। डिड आई हैव टू प्ले फुटबॉल। डिड आई नॉट हैव टू प्ले फुटबॉल। थर्ड फ्यूचर। मुझे फुटबॉल खेलना पड़ेगा। आई विल हैव टू प्ले फुटबॉल। आई विल नॉट हैव टू प्ले फुटबॉल। विल आई हैव टू प्ले फुटबॉल। विल आई नॉट हैव टू प्ले फुटबॉल। थैंक यू।
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Kajal Jaiswal. Ask me question.
उसे इंदौर जाना है।
In present, उसे इंदौर जाना है. He has to go to Indore. He does not have to go Indore. Does he have to go to Indore? Does he not have to go to Indore? In past, उसे इंदौर जाना था. He had to go to Indore. He did not have to go to Indore. Did he have to go to Indore? Did he not have to go to Indore? In future, उसे इंदौर जाना पड़ेगा. He will have to go to Indore. He will not have to go to Indore. Will he have to go to Indore? Will he not have to go to Indore? Thank you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Priya Jaiswal. Please ask me question.
उसे जाना है।
He has to go. He does have to go. He does not have to go. Does he have to go? He does not have to go. Past. He had to go. He did not have to go. Did he have to go? Did he not have to go? Present. Future. He will have to go. He will not have to go. Will he have to go? Will he not have to go? Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bilal Khal. Ask me my question. I have to eat food. I do not have to eat food. Do I have to eat food? Do I not have to eat food? Past. I had to eat food. I did not have to eat food. Did I have to eat food? Did I not have to eat food? Future. I will have to eat food. I will not have to eat food. Will I have to eat food? Will I not
Hi
have to eat food?
everyone, good evening. How are you? I am good. Sir, ask me question.
आपका क्वेश्चन है, मुझे शिकायत करनी है।
Okay sir. Present. I have to complain. I do not have to complain. Do I have to complain? Do I not have to complain? Past. I had to complain. I did not have to complain. Did I have to complain? Did I not have to complain? Future. I will have to complain. I will not have to complain. Will I have to complain? Will I not have to complain?
Hi everyone. Good evening. Ask me question.
उसे अंग्रेजी सीखना है।
उसे अंग्रेजी सीखना है. Present. She has to learn English. She does not have to learn English. Does she have to learn English? Does she not have to learn English? Past. She had to learn English. She did not have to learn English. Did she have to learn English? Did she not have to learn English? Future. She will have to learn English. She will not have to learn English. Will she have to learn English? Will she not have to learn English? Thank you.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
My name is Parmeshwar Mundlay. Ask me question.
मुझे काम करना है।
I have to work. I do not have to work. Do I have to work? Do I not have to work? I had to work. I did not have to work. Did I have to work? Did I not have to work? I will have to work. I will not have to work. Will I have to work? Will I not have to work? Thank you.
Hi. Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
Ask me question.
उसे क्रिकेट खेलना है.
उसे क्रिकेट खेलना है. He has to play cricket. He does not have to play cricket. Does he have to play cricket? Does he not have to play cricket? Past. He had to play cricket. He did not have to play cricket. Did he have to play cricket? Did not he have to play cricket? Future. He will have to play cricket. He will not have to play cricket. Will he have to play cricket? Will he not have to play cricket?
Hello friends.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Virendra Singh. Ask me a question.
मुझे शादी करनी है.
I have to get married. I do not have to get married. Do I have to get married? Do I not have to get married? Past. I had to get married. I did not have to get married. Have to get married. Did I have to get married? Did I not have to get married? Future. I will have to get married. I will not have to get married. Will I have to get married? Will I not have to get married? Thank you.
Good evening friends.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Please ask me some questions.
मुझे पानी पीना है.
I have to drink water. I do not have to drink water. Do I have to drink water? Do I not have to drink water? Past. I had to drink water. I did not have to drink water. Did I have to drink water? Did I not have to drink water? Future. I will have to drink water. I will not have to drink water. Will I have to drink water? Will I not have to drink water?
Hello guys. Good. How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Sir, ask me question.
मुझे रोज कोचिंग आना है.
Present में I have to come to coaching every day. I do have to come to coaching every day. Do I have to come to coaching every day? Do I not have to come to coaching every day? Past. I had to come to coaching every day. I did not have to come to coaching every day. Did I have to come to coaching every day? Did I not have to come to coaching every day? Future. I will have to come to coaching every day. I will not have to come to coaching every day. Will I have to come to coaching every day? Will I not have to come to coaching every day?
Hello friends.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Ask me question.
राहुल को घर सजाना है.
राहुल को घर सजाना है. Rahul has to decorate home. Rahul does not have to decorate home. Does Rahul have to decorate home? Does Rahul not have to decorate home? Past. Rahul had to decorate home. Rahul did not have to decorate home. Did Rahul have to decorate home? Did Rahul not have to decorate home? Future. Rahul will have to decorate home. Rahul will not have to decorate home. Will Rahul have to decorate home? Will Rahul not have to decorate home?
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening everybody.
Good evening.
Ask me question.
मुझे मंदिर जाना है.
मुझे मंदिर जाना है. I have to go to temple. I do not have to go to temple. Do I have to go to temple? Do I not have to go to temple? I had to go to temple. I did not have to go to temple. Did I have to go to temple? Did I not have to go to temple? I will not have to go to temple. I will not. Sorry sir. I will have to go to temple. I will not have to go to temple. Will I have to go to temple? Will I not
have to go to temple. Hi everyone. Good evening. My name is Nidhi Pawar. Sir, ask me question. I have to wash clothes. I do not have to wash clothes. Do I have to wash clothes? Do I not have to wash clothes? I had to wash clothes. I did not have to wash clothes. Did I have to wash clothes? Did I not have to wash clothes? I will have to wash clothes. I will not have to wash clothes. Will I have to wash clothes? Will I not have to wash clothes? Hi friends, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Ask me question.
हमें मूवी देखना है.
हमें मूवी देखना है. We have to watch movie. We do not have to watch movie. Do we have to watch movie? Do we not have to watch movie? We had to watch movie. We did not have to watch movie. Did we have to watch movie? Did we not have to watch movie? We will have to watch movie. We will not have to watch movie. Will we have to watch movie? Will we not have to watch movie? Thank you.
Hi everyone. Hi. My name is Ankush Birla. Ask me question.
तुम्हारा घर साफ करना है.
I have to clean home. I do not have to clean home. Do I have to clean home? Do I not have to clean home? I had to clean home. I did not have to clean home. Did I have to clean home? Did I not have to clean home? I will not have to clean. I will have to clean home. I will not have to clean home. Will I have to clean home? Will I not have to clean home?
Hi everyone, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Kunal R. I am from Sanat. Ask me question, guys.
मुझे चाय पीना है.
I have to take tea. I do not have to take tea. Do I have to take tea? Do I not have to take tea? I had to take tea. I did not have to take tea. Did I have to take tea? Did I not have to take tea? I will have to take tea. I will not have to take tea. Will I have to take tea? Will I not have to take tea? Thanks.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine.
I am good. Ask me some question, guys.
तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन है, मुझे उसे भूलना है.
मुझे उसे भूलना है. I have to forget him. I do not have to forget him. Do I have to forget him? Do I not have to forget him? Past. I had to forget him. I did not have to forget him. Did I have to forget him? Did I not have to forget him? I will have to forget him. I will not have to forget him. Will I have to forget him? Will I not have to forget him?